your dog?
No.
He's an Australian Shepherd, right?
Yeah.
And Australian Shepherds nip at the heels of cattle to make sure they're going in the right area. He's nipping at your tire. He thinks your tire is a baby cow and he's trying to tell it where to go. Isn't that funny?
Yes.
Dude, I think we need to tow it.
Okay.
Should we give it a tow?
Yes.
All right. I think the dump truck's gonna be a good tow truck. Should we try?
Yeah.
All right, let's get the Jeep out of this mess.
I'm stuck.
What?
Dad, I'm totally stuck.
Dude, you are.
Oh, Dad.
Yeah.
What if all of them get stuck?
That would be crazy, but I think we have a solution. Let's try the Dune Racer. I think that'll work.
I've got my tow up and I'm ready to go.
All right, dude, let's tow these two vehicles. So, you're gonna tow this thing. Dude, towing this is a really good idea. I wanna see if the Dune Racer can tow it. Go for it, bud. Keep going, buddy, keep going. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You totally did it, bud. All right, we just have that dump truck, but the dump truck is huge. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tow it. Do you think you can tow it? Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna check this out, I'm excited. Came out to play. You didn't think you were gonna be a tow truck driver, did you? Your chin's frozen. Alright, we better go inside. Hey kids, thanks for watching Johnny and Zoe. What do you think they should do?
What did you say?
Johnny's mouth is frozen. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We play Power Wheels all the time on Johnny and Zoe, don't we?
Sure you do.
Alright, we better go inside and warm up. It's 25 degrees now.
Boy.
Alright kids, thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below which car here is your favorite.